and you arrive at a panel welcome. So in this panel, you see, maybe it's difficult to find it, but you need to have a project, open project, and we don't have a project. So we will create a project, and for this we need to create a folder. So what are the strategies to create the folders? The idea, especially on Windows, is to put the project in a place where the agent and Zed won't have any problem to write, to edit the files, to delete the files. And so the best place for this, it's in your user directory. So here my username is 𝚄𝚎𝚛. So Mac users, it's a bit different, but I will put in the description the place where you can find your user directory. And then here, the simplest in this directory, so the agents will have access to the files without any Windows problem. The simplest is to create a new folder. We will call it Zed projects. And in this folder, we will create our first project that we will name not smartly project 01. We select the folder,